I'm Ryan Rake, alongside my trusty co-host, Walid Bleacher. Bleacher isn't here right now, he's at the scene of the crime, we'll get to him in a second. By the way, you're watching Channel 3 News. Anyways, breaking news. There's a missing chemical compound. This iron compound was last seen in the kitchen, NaCl, also known as salt, also known as lead liquid. We were able to determine if it is an iron compound, if it's charged with opposite charges. These iron compounds are generally solids with high melting points, and they are generally formed from a metal and a non-metal. Warning. Please do not confuse this compound with the other missing compound, ammonia. Ammonia is bonded between two nonmetals. There are usually two types of covalent bonds, polar and non-polar. Polar is an equal sharing of electrons. Now to our field reporter, Walid Bleacher.
Thanks, Ryan. This just in. Scientists Colin and Nickel on the ionic compounds escaped from the nomenclature lab. Citizens are urged to be on the lookout for a missing acid that goes by the name of hydrochloric acid. This type of acid is toxic and very dangerous, so please, do not confront it. It is a binary acid which starts with the prefix of hydro and ends with the suffix "ic." These are not to be confused with ternary acids. These are acids that regard polyatomic ions with them. If, however, the polyatomic contains an 8 as a suffix, it is to be changed to "ic." However, with an I, it should be changed to "us." Alright folks, stay safe, be on the lookout, and help these acids get back on their way home. Now back to you, Ryan.
Thanks, Walid. Now let's send out to Max with an interesting update.
Yes, Limuthi, yes. Yes, Limuthi. Okay. Thanks, Ryan. We have breaking news about a giant copper monster on the loose, and the only way to stop it is to go through the process of naming it. Okay, now, this is a 9-step process, so listen up. The first step is name the cation copper. The second step would be to check your periodic table to see if the element has more than one charge. If it does, write empty parentheses after the cation's name. Now, yes, it has charges of 1+ and 2+ copper. The third step, name the anion. Okay, at the bottom of the parentheses, write the possible charges. Your Roman numeral can only be one of these charges, copper and phosphite. Now, the fourth step, my apologies, would be to look at your formula. If they are not already written, put parentheses around any polyatomic ions. Phosphite is polyatomic, so I put parentheses around it. Now, copper is not polyatomic, so it does not need parentheses around it, okay? The fifth step would be to write the anion's charge to the top right of its symbol, outside of the parentheses. The sixth step would be to multiply the anion's charge and the anion's subscript. If the anion is polyatomic, use the subscript outside of the parentheses. If there is no number written, we must assume it is 1. For this formula, we would multiply 3 minus the charge times 1, the subscript. Now you all can do basic math. 3 times 1 is 3. Okay, now the 7th step. Hello, Mom. Mom, I'm really busy right now. I guess I fed the cats. Okay, I'll talk to you later. Mom, okay, bye. Sorry. I'm really sorry. The 7th step would be to divide the result by the subscript of the cation. Again, if there is no number written, assume the subscript is 1. Okay, the 8th step would be your new result is the Roman numeral to put in parentheses after the cation's name. Be sure to check your periodic table to verify that the number you use is valid. The 9th step and final step is, well, since copper 1 is also known as cuprous, you can also write the common name. Either is acceptable. Okay, well, you know, that should say it. You know, we're done here. Stay safe, folks. Back to you, Ryan.
Thanks, Max. What a beautiful day it is, isn't it? Alright, ladies and gentlemen, just thanks for tuning in for another awesome episode of Channel 3 News.
I'm here with Howard Leaks. I'm here with the Howard Leaks. We are here with the Howard Leaks. Okay, the Howard Leaks are a news canceller, so you're going to just keep on talking and just go like, hey, I can't hear you right now. And then she's going to be like, hey, honey, I'm really sorry. And then you'll be like,
Let's see the Lord. That's
and then she's like, oh, you're a bitch. And then you'll be okay, I'll just put the Howard Leaks back on. So you're just like, okay, you know, can I? Wally, watch this, Wally. Hey, we see on the film?
Nick, get this on film. There. Give it. Max. Max, give me up.
Here I am,
Max.
Walid. Okay, I can tell
Max.
You have to get the ball. Hold
Max,
on.
I have to do something. I have to do something.
I'll totally write in. Just do it. Thanks, Ryan.
Where are you going?
Max.
Where are you going? Owen. Here.
Hi, Channel 5 News.